Hello everyone, I'm Lady Jays and today I'm back to react to more music videos of Stray Kids. If you watch my previous reaction, you know how obsessed I was while reacting to my first video introducing their personalities and some of their songs. I was spoiled about some of them, unfortunately, but thanks to that, one in particular really grew on me. The chorus was fire and it made me so curious about the song and about the music video too. It's called The Sound and I decided to start with it. So let's just jump into it. I think the chorus was something like, "This is the sound, it's the sound," but I think I'm mistaken about the lyrics. Okay, here we go with The Sound. 3, 2, 1, go. I'm going to be attacked again. I'm always attacked while watching Stray Kids. Ooh, Felix is really, really handsome there. Okay, that's so cool. Okay, the effects. Ooh. Wait, the outfits of everyone. Han, Yeonjin, Changbin. Oh, they're fire. Let's watch it again. Yeah, if you're new to this channel, I'm actually pausing a lot and going back a lot too, so beware of this. I love the effects. The music video always so well done. Mysterious Felix. Ooh, it's so cool like this. I love the vest. Ooh. He looks like a pirate a little line. Don't attack me with your bang bang. Oh, Chan. Only the okay, wait. I'm not ready for the chorus. Let me pause a little. Oh, I feel so attacked all the time. That's not fair. That's so not fair. I want all the outfits. Where can I buy them? Please tell me. My angel always attacking me. Ooh. Oh, that's so cool. And sweet voice, always being sweet voice. Sound is so sound. Da, 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 da. Ooh, that's fire. Cutie bean cutie. I love his hairs. Okay, wait. I'm so... You must be so annoyed with me always going back. Wait. Iggy is so fire in this. Okay, it will be one of my favorites. I love it. Oh, that effect! They disappear. What's the story of this song? Yeah, you can't stop the fire, baby. You can't. What? Oh wow. Changbin is so pretty like this. Oh, Changbin in white. Sorry, baby, sorry. Yeah, Iggy and Cutie together. I'm sorry, Anne. Please, I will go back just for you. Our cool guy is incredible there. All the transitions are on point. Sound, it's a sound. Da, 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 da. Oh, I love that one. It's so good. I think I'm definitely in love with Lino's voice. It's so sweet and soft, you know? Oh, and it's so handsome there. That's incredible. This is the sound, it's the sound. Oh my god, it's Jongin. That's his name, right? Jongin. His real name. I'm trying to learn that real name too, not just a... I don't even know how it's called. The stage name? Okay. Sorry guys, but I will just watch that music video again without pausing because it's so good. I just love it. Let's try to understand the story. So Felix is watching TV. It's like a different dimension. I know they love this. Singing is so good here, really. I will always say that. Even Han! Ooh, I really love it, definitely. Like, right now is wondering what's happening. The dimension is going into its own dimension. I love that. Woo! My baby. Japanese songs are so good for Stray Kids. They're always on point. Oh, that transition. Ooh, when it's breathing. Chen being the debater of the group. I don't know if that's the word in English. Nothing matters. Ooh, it's so cool. Ta-da-ta-da-ta-ta-da-ta-da. It's a sound. Shan is so... I love him like this. Cool eyebrow. Rhapsody. You know. I'm so focused on them that I forgot I wanted to learn the story. To focus on the story. Sound, it's a sound. Ta-da-ta-da-ta-ta-da-ta-da. Sound, it's a sound. Ta-da-ta-da-ta-ta-da-ta-da. Ooh, you know. Wow. Okay, this one is absolutely incredible. I'm always saying that while watching the videos. It always feels so unfair. All of these songs are good. I don't have one song that I'm not listening to right now. In my playlist, there are all the songs I already reacted to, and I'm just repeating them again and again and again. I'm not tired of it. That's so not fair. So this one is going on my top 5 of the songs. I think maybe my top 3. It's one of my favorites. It's so good. It's so good. I want to listen to more of their Japanese song because they're all breathtaking. Okay, the next one is called Easy, so I really hope they will go easy on me. Let me have a moment just to breathe and get myself ready for the next one, like maybe emotional song and not always the over dynamics one that I'm so into these days because of you. Okay, let's start that reaction. Easy. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, that will definitely not be an easy one. Lino? Okay, definitely not an easy one. Ooh, I don't care. Ian, don't do this to me. He's always so cute when he's smiling. That's not fair. Ooh, easy. Ooh. Oh, that was such a cool move. Easy, wow. Okay. I'm looking at you, guys. How can I not? I love that Lino has more parts. In the first reaction ever of Stray Kids I did, he didn't have a lot of parts in the songs I reacted to. So I'm really glad to see more of him in front of the others a little. Ooh! Okay, wait. Because I'm talking a lot, so I need to go back. I love the fact that they're always putting Changbin and Yeonjin together. I think they're really good dancers, both of them, and the way they're rapping, I love it. Ooh, wait. I wasn't ready. Ooh, that's so cool. And the cutie. Iggy is so cute. It's definitely so cute. You don't make it easy on me. I'm watching you. Oh, so cool. Ian and Sungmin can't be. I don't know, they were just so cute. I can't take them seriously. Just go back for Phoenix. Because wow. It's attacking me again. I'm watching that in the morning. Ooh, I don't like that sound. Ooh, with the eye. I watched too many horror movies to like it. Okay, so that was not an easy song. Wait. Let me at least breathe a little between songs. Oh my god. I didn't have time at all to actually understand what was happening to me. I think a lot of people were in my situation while watching Easy. I don't even know if it's an old song or not, because I'm not reacting to their music videos in the good order. Maybe the theories are different, like I'm a mess with this universe right now. The list is too long, but I will try my best because How can I not with Stray Kids? Exactly. Okay, so for that next one, it's called Get Lit. A lot of you recommended it in particular, so here I am. I don't think it would be an emotional song, an easy song again, so let me breathe, and here we go. Don't hate me, baby, don't hate me, please. Oh, I feel already sweating. That's okay. That's not okay. So beautiful. Oh, I don't have time to understand what's happening. Wait, they are all so cool. Like, look at Han and Changbin. No, Felix even more. Yeonjin. I'm not talking about Yeonjin, that's not fair. You know my opinion about Yeonjin. Every look must be illegal, should be illegal. But Felix, right now, look, it is coming towards us with saying, hey, 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 don't hate me, please. I'm not ready yet, wait, I'm a mess. Oh, goodness. Oh, with that hair color, he looks like an angel even more. I love the blue hair. Check it. Oh. Cutie, don't do this, please. Oh, it looks really cool right now, Ian. Okay, what's that look? What's that look, Lino? Illegal. Going to my illegal list. It's also a pretty long list. I think that's... Oh my god. Alright. I'm going to die young because of you. Oh, I feel attacked by Lino. I think that was the song I heard in the beginning of... Yeah, that was the song I heard in the introducing video of Stray Kids. That's so not fair. That's so not fair. Oh, so beautiful. Oh, I love that side up too, Changbin. Again, an amazing song. It's so cute like this. Oh, Felix. Illegal too. Everything is illegal but this voice. They were just attacking me for this music video. It's attacking after attacking. Oh, it looks like a king, so... I love how his style is so different from the voice you expect him to have, you know? So deep and you're feeling it in your body. That was the word I was searching for. Oh, yellow on you. Really good color. Oh, okay, that was that one. I remember that one. It scared me in the introducing video. It was so loud. Let's go. Ooh. Yeah, bourgeois. Oh, wing! That was cute, that one. I really don't have time to breathe. They are so mean to me, and that's because of you guys. That's your recommendation that are killing me all the time. You're not being fair with me. At least put a warning before the video, please. Okay, the next one is called Super Bored. I hope this will be the emotional song I'm waiting for, just to give me time to, you know. Wow. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Super Bored. Another failure. Another amazing song. And the song is making me dance. Oh, that video would be so long. Yeonjin aggressing me like this. Ooh, yeah. Super bored. Super bored. Ooh, that was cool. Yeah. Oh, I love the nails. Super bored. Ooh, that's different from Yeonjin right now. Super bored. Ooh. Meow. 10. Okay, no. Ooh, no. Super bored. Super bored. Yeonjin is so cool there. Super bored. Super bored. Super bored. Cute. Ooh, Changbin. Okay, sir. Ooh. Super bored. Super bored. Super bored. Super bored. Super bored. Super bored. That was so cute. Super bored. Super bored. Killing me again. Oh, don't smell like me like this, you know. Ooh, go high, fly high. Super bored. Super bored. Super bored. Super bored. Super bored. Super bored. Wow. Have fun. I had fun, obviously. Oh. Okay, let's watch directly the next one. What's the name? Mixtape on Track. Oh, that's finally the emotional song I was waiting for to give me a break from intense music. Oh, I love the vibes. It's really different. Attacking me with the visuals again. Oh, don't smile at me, you both, please. Oh, don't tell me that's a love triangle, please. Don't. Oh. The visuals. Oh, the visuals. That's a love triangle, isn't it? Oh. That girl, I'm jealous of her in a way. She's really lucky. He looks really young, Felix, there. Ooh, look at them. So cute.
잠깐 길을 잃었다 어렵게 너가 남긴 발자국을 따라 걸어도 다가가는 게 목마다 머릿속에 소용돌이쳐 난 이렇게 그리운 걸까 너는 얼마나 멀어진 걸까 우리 함께한 순간 그 이상 속에 너무 익숙해져 버려 일상이 돼버렸는데 어떤 이유에서인지 멀게 느껴지는 네가 너무 밉다 어떤 이유에서라도 이 상황을 막았어야 했는데
Okay, I love him, I'm him. We are friends, why are you fighting? Friends before love. Okay guys, hear me out. My friends will always come first. They are everything. I know that if I'm feeling sad or I'm in a bad place, they will travel the world just to come see me. So obviously, if me and my friend are in love with the same person, we will choose each other and not that person, guys. Friends before love, so I'm definitely Jongin there. Like, don't forget me, don't forget your friendship for a girl. I know I can always count on them, and I hope they know they can count on me too. Oh, Turkey! I love this. He's such a good friend, worrying about them. I love that. Look at him. Okay, Jongin is the best character there, supporting his friends. I'm so sorry, Dino, but I always have second lead syndrome, and Yunjin here is being really hard not to support. But you know it's cute. Jongin, I love you, Jongin, being the best friend ever. The song is really good too. Typical of K-dramas. But it's working. Maybe it's not the second lead. Don't end there. Oh, oh my god, to be continued. That's so rude. So that means there is a next part, right? Please tell me the name of the song. I want to watch it now. But best character, Jongin. Okay, so the next song will be the last music video for now. It's called 24 to 25, and if you watch my reaction to the introduction to Stray Kids, you know how in love I was with the small part of the song they showed in the video. Oh, it was beautiful. I know it will be an emotional song. I'm ready. Stray Kids Flicks. Okay. I would watch that channel all day. Angel. So cute there. Oh my god. All of them are adorable. They look so cute. Chan is looking so mature.
눈이 쌓일수록 불안정한 맘
Hand is attacking me.
못하겠단 말에 더 설레는 너와 나
They look so pretty. Oh, JYP, I love that look on him.
25, babe.
Oh, okay, wait. I want to watch Han Changbin and Yeonjin again. I really love Yeonjin's voice.
Just stay with me. 어김없이 내려치던 눈보라 우리 사이 지친 하루들 다 털어줄게 now 오늘은 내게 기대 따뜻한 내 품속에 take a break I want you to stay for Christmas
I will stay, boys. I will stay for how long you want. Felix. He looks angelic too.
밤새 달리고 싶어 영화 마라톤 과연 보기는 할까 유난히 빛나는 머리 위에 미술도 너무 예쁘다 달달한 향풍기는 분위기 오늘도 간직할래 memory
Felix and his deep voice.
25, babe, just stay with me Let it snow, 눈이
Oh, Yeonjin.
어딜 가지 못하겠단 말에 또 설레는 너와 나
They don't look real in there.
Just stay with me
I love the leader and the McNay together.
오래 쌓인 지친 하루들 다 털어줄게 now 오늘은 내게 기대 따뜻한 내 품속에
I'm falling in love again.
I want you to stay for Christmas
Oh, I'm even feeling a little emotional. I'm so happy to be there, guys. Watching Stray Kids. Thanks. Oh, I'm happy to discover them. I know that they're talking about Christmas, but in a way, this next year will be me 24 to 25, and I'm scared to grow older. So just that song is hitting close, even if they're talking about Christmas. That was the perfect song to end that reaction, guys. I'm just falling in love again. Beautiful song. Definitely will put it in my Christmas playlist.
스테이 안녕
안녕.
이거 스테이 껌
Really?
그래 고맙다 가자 너 온다고 해서 예쁘게 꾸몄어 그래 우리가 300년
It must have been funny to shoot.
엄청 크지? 아니가 뿌리가 줄 때가 있네 네 일로와
Okay, I'm coming.
야 내가 원래 목라면 양보 안 하는데 오늘 하루만 딱 양보해줄게 그래 맛있겠다 와 스테이 맛있겠지?
It looks delicious, and unfortunately, I'm there behind my screen.
있어 그런 게
That's not Christmas yet, but oof, I can't wait for Christmas to put that song on repeat. Okay guys, that's the end of that reaction video. It's a very long reaction video. I think now you're used to me taking a while watching them. I hope so. All my videos are a mess about Stray Kids. Please be aware of this in the future. It will stay that way. Okay, I hope you like that reaction. The next one will be about a compilation of their moments because I want to learn more about their personality. If you like it, please subscribe, hit the bell and put a like, and I will see you very, very soon in the next videos. Bye bye. I just realized, guys, I'm the present now. You can invite me to your little party for Christmas. I wouldn't mind. Okay, definitely bye bye. I'm going too far.